Welcome RPA champions. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an automation that is going to respond to your unread LinkedIn messages using your own voice. And it is going to do it for all of your unread messages. Now, what are we seeing right here? We see the automation opening a LinkedIn page, going to the unread messages. After that, it is going to click on the last message. It is going to read the entire context of this conversation. It is going to take into account a complicated and a detailed set of instructions about myself and about how I want the AI to behave. And then it is going to send it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to create some text for us. After that, we're going to send this text to ElevenLabs, and then we're going to download this MP3 that we are attaching. We are going to attach our response to the message. Wait a couple of seconds, maybe a little bit, few seconds, and then we're going to send this response to this person. Now, this is going to give a personalized and a very cool automation for us to do. So why is this very cool? Because it is going to allow us to automate all of our unread messages, giving it a personalized touch and also not allowing us to spend a lot of time on going through all of the messages and answering correctly to each one of these messages. The AI answers correctly to the messages because it has a set of instructions that we're going to go through that make it answer in the correct way. And then we use my voice and we create a MP3 file of my voice of that text and we just attach it to them. It is pretty simple. In this video right now, I'm going to show you how we are going to do this. But before, don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of content, and in the future, if you don't want to miss this kind of content. Thank you so much for watching so far. The RPA Champions channel is approaching 10,000 subscribers. I want to thank you so much for this, because without you, without the community, without my subscribers, I would not be making this kind of videos and I would not be showing anybody how to do this kind of automation. So thank you guys. Thank you for your questions. Thank you for all of the support. And yeah, let's see how to build this automation. And also just remember that on the Discord channel, you're going to find the code to this automation and to many other automations as well. So let's interrupt this automation, even though it's really cool to watch. So I'm just going to stop it and just walk you through this automation. So the most important part in this automation is the API calls, but I'll walk you through the entire automation. Now, there is really no time to explain you what the entire tool does and to build it step by step in a 10 or 15-minute video, but I'll walk you through the entire process. If you're interested in how Microsoft Power Automate Desktop works, I have dozens of videos about this for beginners, advanced, and all kinds of videos and automations about it. So I invite you to check out any one of my beginner trainings on Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. All right, without further ado, so what we are doing in this automation, we're trying to save a couple of steps in automation, so we're directly navigating to the unread messages on LinkedIn. After that, we are getting the details of the conversation. We're putting this into a variable. Then we are putting this inside of another variable called conversation. So inside of this prompt conversation, we are saving what we get from our entire LinkedIn conversation with that person. We are replacing some text or cleaning this up, because when we send it to Microsoft Power or when we send it to ChatGPT, it has to be cleaned. What do I mean? It doesn't have to have spaces or special characters. In addition to that, here we have our prompt. So what was I saying previously? This is going to take you a little bit of time to create. This is a detailed master prompt that guides this automation, that gives it context about me. It gives it links, my telephone number, my email, and other information that the AI requires to give to people when they are trying to reach out in whatever context. And it also answers pretty correctly. So this was refined over a couple of runs, and it is evolving. It is not fixed in stone. This has to evolve as we observe our automation or as we see the results of our automation. And with the things that we are not satisfied, we just add them inside of this instruction. So after that, we create a invoke web service and we make a call to OpenAI. We get the text with a convert JSON to custom object. So this gets the response from OpenAI, and we set a variable. So we use this to extract the values from the JSON. So if we go right here and we search for JSON as custom object, so let's see where it is. It's right here. We have this JSON right here. So what we have to do is we have to go inside of here and get the response content, this right here. So that is done just like this. If you want to pause the video, you can copy this so that you can use it as well. What we do after that, we do a invoke web service, and this is the main part of this video where we send this to ElevenLabs via API, and we convert it into text. So we use this API, this URL, post audio MPG, this API key, and then we use this request body. After that, we save our file, and that's pretty much everything that we have to do. We rename our file, we click on the SVG to upload it, we just put the name of the file, and that's pretty much it. We hit enter, and we put the, and then we push the send button, and we send the file. And that's pretty much it. That's our automation. It is not a complicated automation at all. So anybody can use this automation. I'm going to paste this code on the Discord channel. So if you need it, you can use it yourself. I build this kind of automations because it helps me save countless hours of times in all kinds of different things. And I'm also really curious to know what kind of things and activities do you do in front of the computer? Do you do different searches for different things? Do you extract information from PDFs and then put them inside of documents? Let me know, and I will show you how to automate them on my channel. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next automation video.